name's Marianne Savis. I'm the Divisional Manager here at Optimum Consulting. I am an ex-accountant by trade and I have been specialising in accounting recruitment in the Brisbane market in commerce for over 16 years. A lot of candidates that I have seen over the years looking to make the move from the profession into commerce, and a lot of the questions that I seem to get around that is, how do I actually go about making that move from chartered into commerce? Firstly, I tell candidates, let's talk about why it is that you're actually wanting to leave. And the most common reasons seem to be, look, I've enjoyed working on multiple clients. I really would like to work on one particular company. And look, really, a lot of people just don't see themselves becoming associate director or even partner within an accounting firm. Let's not forget the timesheets as well. That seems to be one of the big ones as well. The next question that I get asked is, what sort of roles can I look at in commerce, and are my skills transferable? Absolutely. Look, if you have worked in or started off in chartered accounting and you've been in areas such as audit or business services or tax, those skills generally are transferable into financial accounting roles. If you've come from insolvency generally or corporate finance, you might take more of a management accounting path. The next question I get from candidates is, how will I know if I actually like commerce and to make sure I don't make a mistake? Look, there's a couple of things. There is a safety net there. You can actually, with the transferable skills, go into commerce, and if for some reason you don't like it, you can very easily go back into the profession. I've probably only seen in my 15, 16 years of recruitment, a handful of candidates actually go back into chartered and realise that their progression really is towards director or partner level. Another good way too, even before you leave the profession altogether, is see if there's a secondment that you can go on. I've seen some fantastic candidates being rewarded with fantastic opportunities all over the globe actually, and have been seconded, and that's really added value to their commercial experience, and I think for them that's been the telltale sign that it's time for them to move. Another question I get asked is, what sort of companies should I look at? So what we normally do is go through with candidates what types of companies they have audited or worked on within business services, for example. If they've been SMEs or privately owned companies and candidates generally feel comfortable in that space, that's what I generally would recommend, because there is that similarity there or that familiarity. If they've worked on larger listed companies, they might want to go and work for one of the global ASX listed businesses. And look, either is fine. It really just depends on what you feel comfortable with, and look, to a certain degree, how technical you would like your role to be, and if that's one of your strengths. A lot of the time with the ASX listed businesses, if you're going into a financial accounting role, it will be very deadline driven, very heavily focused on statutory accounting. If that's the area that you'd like to at least start off in commerce, then that certainly would be the way to go. What's the career progression from leaving the profession and going into commerce? Look, the sky's the limit. Over the last 15 or 16 years that I have been recruiting, I've seen a lot of candidates complete their CA and CPA in the profession and have gone onto commerce, started off in a financial accounting capacity, and over the years have then progressed to senior accountant, group accountant, financial controller, and even CFOs. So the progression is really great. If you're more into the management accounting and business analyst side of things, then certainly that progression could be more into the senior business analyst, even commercial management side of things. It's a really good opportunity in commerce as you keep growing your career to get involved in the commercial and strategic side of the business, and hopefully working with either the CFO or even the MD in certain cases in particular companies. If you're in this same situation and you are wanting some advice or guidance, or have some friends maybe that are not sure about making the move, I'm more than happy for you to give myself a call or any of our experienced team here at Optimum Consulting.